How to wash dishes without piped water. Set up water barrels outside your home to catch rainwater. Get yourself some handy dandy 2 to 5 liter water bottles or a bucket to retrieve water. Fill 1 wash pan with water. Put some dish soap on your sponge and get to scrubbing. Do your best to rinse off as much soap as you can before rinsing in fresher water. Pour fresh rainwater into the other wash pan. And congratulations, you've just washed your dishes without piped running water using a barrel to catch rainwater and 2 wash pans, 1 for washing, 1 for rinsing.